5 of the healthiest fish to eat. No doubt, fish can be a healthy addition to your diet. It is delicious, provides you with many essential nutrients, and is a perfect source of omega-3 fatty acids. According to American dietary guidelines, we are supposed to be eating fish twice a week, but there is also a danger of high levels of mercury, PCBs, and environmental concern. So, how to choose the best fish that is good for you and the environment? Don't worry, we have got you covered. Number 1. Herring. Herring has the highest omega-3 fatty acids content compared to most fish. The omega-3 fatty acid is essential to the human body for many cellular functions. However, our body cannot synthesize this nutrient independently, so it is needed from external sources. Another plus point of herring fish is that it has a lower mercury content. It contains other valuable nutrients like vitamin D and selenium. Nutrition experts recommend incorporating this fish into your regular diet to keep cardiovascular problems at bay. It is also an excellent superfood for pregnant women since it reinforces brain development. Befriend your local fishmonger to help figure out the best methods of sourcing your favorite fish. It has many small bones in them. They can be eaten and serve as a source of calcium, but if you don't like bones, you can cut the herring open and debone it before cooking. You can use this fish in many courses or side snacks, and it will taste delicious. Number 2. Rainbow trout, and some types of lake trout. Rainbow trout is low in mercury and sustainable fish, and is deemed the best choice by the Food and Drug Administration. It is a beautiful, colorful fish with rich content of omega-3 fatty acids. It is an excellent source of protein for those who do not eat poultry or meat. It is high in potassium, which is sure to aid in managing blood pressure, kidney disorders, stress, and anxiety. Another important mineral present in rainbow trout is phosphorus. It helps maintain the integrity of bones and facilitates an effective digestive system. The B-complex vitamins in it play a significant role in cell metabolism. Selenium acts as an antioxidant, preventing damage from free radicals to the human body. Rainbow trout is delicious when sided with oven-roasted vegetables, grilled vegetables, potatoes, fresh green salad, and rice. Number 3. Salmon, wild-caught, including canned. This versatile fish is renowned for being one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Wild-caught salmon is preferred over farmed due to less exposure to contaminants and pollutants. Canned salmon is also an excellent option if you do not want to get it fresh. It makes a fantastic fit in any healthy, nutritious diet. It is good news for those on a low-carb diet since salmon contains no carbohydrates unless you add sauces or condiments. And it is still a rich source of all essential minerals and vitamins that your body requires daily. A delicious way to consume salmon is by adding it to soup or stew, or even whipping up a batch of salmon cakes using canned salmon. Either way, it gives you immense nutritional benefits. Remove the skin to further decrease the contaminants and carcinogens. Number 4. Sardines, wild-caught, including canned. Did you know that sardines were named after Sardinia, an Italian island? It is because of the abundance which was found there. They can be enjoyed fresh or canned, but many people use the canned version due to its high perishability. Sardines are particularly beneficial to pregnant women and older adults since they contain calcium and other vital nutrients. The vitamin D, B12, and omega-3 fatty acids present help prevent heart diseases thanks to their anti-inflammatory characteristics. Sardines also contain protein and numerous minerals such as niacin, iron, potassium, magnesium, zinc, and phosphorus. This versatile food can be used in salads, crackers, or as the main course meal. However, individuals with uric acid or kidney issues should be wary of sardines and always discuss them with the doctor before eating the fish. Number 5. Atlantic mackerel. If you are a fan of mackerel fish, opt for the Atlantic mackerel instead of king mackerel due to its lower mercury content. These little fish are a significant source of nutrition. In addition to being high in protein and healthy fats, Atlantic mackerel also consists of vitamin B12, iron, potassium, and selenium. It also contains vital antioxidants that keep you energetic